Dear students, welcome to all of you. Today we are studying about the level transducers. As we know, we study that transducer is a device which convert any physical parameter into the measurable electrical signal. In the level transducers, the label will be converted into the measurable electrical form, and it give the output in the form of the voltage or current signals by which we can measure the label signal that is present in a tank. So level sensors can be continuous or non-continuous type level sensor. Many places we use the contact type of the level sensor, like in a tank, as we see in the overhead tank in the houses. We want to measure the level at the overflow at the one point. If the water will overflow, then the alarm will come. So it is not a continuous type of level sensor. It is only the a point type of level sensor. In many places we use the point type level sensor, but generally in the industries we use the continuous type of level sensor. So here we are going to discuss about the continuous level measurement system. So we can use the three type of continuous level sensor. First, the ultrasonic sensor. Second is the radar level sensor. Third is the optical sensor. First, here I am discussing about the ultrasonic level sensor. As shown in the diagram, the ultrasonic level sensor contains the emitter and transmitter at the one end and a receiver at the other end. And जो ट्रांसमीटर होता है वो हमारा क्या करता है, दैट इज जनरली ए पीजो इलेक्ट्रिक एलिमेंट. So that generate the signal and detected by the receiver. That is the basic principle of the ultrasonic sensor. The transmitter or emitter generate the signals that is detected by the receiver. Works on the basic time of flight principle, which state that sending a sound wave from a piezoelectric transducer to the content of the vessel, which may contain liquid, solid or slurry level. तो यहाँ पर जो हमारे पास जो वेव्स होंगी उनको हम यहाँ पर डिटेक्ट करेंगे. सॉलिड, स्लरी और लिक्विड वगैरह ये हमारे हो सकते हैं. द फ्रिक्वेंसी रेंज जो होती है इसमें, जो हमारी 15 to 200 किलोहर्ट्ज for transmitting and receiving ultrasonic wave. The basic advantage of the ultrasonic transducers are the ultrasonic sensors are advantageous. They are not in direct contact with the product. यहाँ पर हम क्या कर सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर हम according to the level, suppose there is a level in the tank and we measure the, suppose at one end we put the transmitter here and receiver we put the other end. Here is the receiver, here is the transmitter, and we measure the pulses here. And according to the level, the time taken by receiver is detected. If there is a less level or there is a high level, according to that, time will vary. Then then it has the advantage that there is a note in direct contact. एक बार हमने फिक्स कर दिया तो हमारा ये कोई डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट में नहीं आ रहा. दूसरा, हम क्या करते हैं, द लोअर फ्रीक्वेंसी इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, then second advantage is the level measurement is done without involving any physical contact. They do not have any moving part, कोई भी moving part नहीं है। इसका हमारा डिसएडवांटेज है, नोट सुटेबल फॉर हायर प्रेशर इन ए वैक्यूम एंड टेम्परेचर लिमिट ऑफ अप टू 170 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड। अगर हायर प्रेशर होगा, वैक्यूम होगा, तो वहां पर ये हमारे सेंसर सुटेबल नहीं है। तो इस तरह से जो अल्ट्रासोनिक टाइप के जो सेंसर हैं वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा मेजरमेंट में, लिक्विड मेजरमेंट में यूज होते हैं। सेकंड टाइप का जो हमारा है, दैट इज द लिक्विड लेवल सेंसर, दैट इज द रेडार लेवल सेंसर। as shown in the diagram, radar level sensor consists of a it also consists of a transmitter and a reflected wave is detected. Here in this tank, we detect the we have the level, and that is detected by the, suppose here we have a transmitter and here we have a receiver. Then with the surface of the transmitter will transmit the signal, and that is detected by the receiver, that vary according to the level, because it is reflected by the level surface. The level is high or low, according to that will happen, is based on the principle of measuring the time required for the microwave pulse and its reflected echo to make a complete return trip between the non-contacting transducer and sensed liquid level. So if we see the construction is or working of the such type of level sensor, that is very easy and that is used at many places. Such type of level sensor are used at many places. Suppose in a tank, if the level is less, तो definitely it takes the, यहाँ पर जो हमने ट्रांसमीटर यूज किया है, it takes the longer time to receive the signal. If the level है जो हमारा थोड़ा सा और हाई है, तो it takes the less time, it takes the more time. तो देन वी कम टू द प्राइमरी जो एरियाज है हमारे इस तरह के जो लेवल मेजरमेंट के, दैट आर level of liquid as well as solid in storage tank and tank terminal. These liquid level sensor operate at a wide range of temperature, pressure and various process conditions. So level detection measurement using the optical sensor. If we talk about the optical sensors, बेसिकली जो हमने अभी स्टडी किया था, इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ ए एलईडी एज ए सोर्स एंड डिटेक्टर। रिसीवर इज ए डिटेक्टर, दैट इज ए ऑप्टिकल डिटेक्टर। तो ऑप्टिकल डिटेक्टर्स के बारे में मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बताया था कि देयर कैन बी सेवरल टाइप ऑफ द ऑप्टिकल डिटेक्टर्स। हमारे फोटो डायोड, फोटो ट्रांजिस्टर्स, कई तरह के हमारे ऑप्टिकल डिटेक्टर्स हो सकते हैं। So it consists of an infrared LED and a light receiver. Light emitted from the LED is directed towards a prism which forms the tip of the level sensor. जो प्रिज्म है वो इसका टिप है लेवल सेंसर का। If there is a level, if there is a no liquid present in the tank, then the light from the LED is reflected within the prism and the receiver. Or when the liquid level raises and immerses the sensing prism, light get reflected out into the liquid, leaving the little amount of light or no light to reach the receiver. जब अगर इसमें लेवल होगा तो इसके बाद जो इससे रिफ्लेक्ट होकर लाइट आएगी वो हमारी काफी कम होगी। तो दैट सच टाइप ऑफ द सेंसर कैन बी आल्सो यूज्ड फॉर द लिक्विड लेवल मेजरमेंट। Advantage of this optical sensor are that they are not in contact with the process and perform accurate measurement of small level measurement. So both three type of level sensors are used with several places in the industries. Now we see the one another important type of sensor, that is the proximity sensor. That is also important to detect the metal nearby of the object. A proximity sensor is a sensor able to detect the presence of nearby object without any physical contact. So such type of, it is the proximity sensor. It is the sensing surface. ये हमारी sensing surface होती है. Voltage is provided here. Then what happen? Proximity sensor का हम here we are studying the inductive proximity sensor. So generally, inductive type proximity sensor diagram is shown here. It is the our probe or the sensor that generate the magnetic field. As shown, reluctance shift magnetic field is generated, and it is the object, nearby object or target, which is placed as few with the surface. तो जब हमारा इसमें दो तरह के केस हो सकते हैं, तो अगर हमारा मैग्नेट की वजह से एडी करेंट्स फील्ड आर प्रोड्यूस्ड इन द टारगेट, एंड ड्यू टू विच इट फील्स द लोड, जो हमारा इसमें जो लोड है वो हमारा फील होता है। तो लोड फील होने से क्या होता है, इफ देर इज ए ऑसिलेटर फील द लोड, देन व्हाट हैपन कि जो इसमें ट्रिगर है उसका जो हमारा आउटपुट आता है, वी ऑब्जर्व द आउटपुट, इट इज द ऑसिलेटर, एंड इट्स आउटपुट विल बी रिड्यूस if there is a metal target present, and the waveform come like this. इस तरह की वेवफॉर्म, अगर हमारा टारगेट प्रेजेंट होगा तो इस तरह की हमारी वेवफॉर्म आएगी, और अगर हमारा टारगेट प्रेजेंट नहीं है, टारगेट हमारा एब्सेंट है, तो वी सी द सच टाइप ऑफ वेवफॉर्म। तो हमको इस तरह की वेवफॉर्म में वो नजर आती है, क्योंकि ये ऑसिलेटर है, लोड फील नहीं करता। तो in this manner, the inductive proximity sensor is work to detect the several applications हो सकती हैं machines में, assembly line, automotive industries में, detection of metal part in harsh environments, high speed moving parts को detection में we can use it, और it is a advantageous because contactless detection है, capable of versatile in metal sensing, high switching rate, no moving part. These are some advantages. External conditions like the extreme temperature, cutting, वहाँ पर इनको हम यूज नहीं कर सकते। थैंक यू वेरी मच।